Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PayPal Smart Buttons to React checkout pages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect PayPal Smart Buttons to your React checkout pages, begin by setting up your development environment. Ensure that you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. Create a new React app using the command npx create React app PayPal Smart Buttons. Navigate into your project directory with cd PayPal Smart Buttons. Next, install the PayPal JavaScript SDK by running npm install at PayPal/React PayPal.js. Open the src/app.js file in your code editor. Import the PayPal provider component from at PayPal/React PayPal.js. Wrap your application in the PayPal provider component. Set the value of the client ID prop to your PayPal client ID. You can find your client ID in the PayPal developer dashboard under the My Apps and Credentials section. Inside your app component, add a new function to render the PayPal Smart Button. Import the PayPal Buttons component from at PayPal/React PayPal.js. Within your render function, add the PayPal Buttons component. Configure the PayPal Buttons component by defining the create order and unapproved props. In the create order function, return a promise that resolves with the order ID. In the onApprove function, handle the payment approval by capturing the funds. Use the PayPal.orders.capture method to capture the payment. Make sure to log any errors or responses for debugging purposes. You may also want to show a success or failure message to the user based on the payment result. Style the buttons as desired using CSS to match your checkout page design. Test your integration by starting your application with npm start. Open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000 to see the PayPal. Make sure to go through the checkout process to ensure everything works smoothly. Finally, consider deploying your application once you are satisfied with the implementation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.